Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So if you want to achieve this look or know how I did it, keep on watching. Ow! So right here, all I'm doing is flattening out the front. I'm just taking my hot comb. I usually put this on 430 degrees to do this part, and then I go in and pluck. Make sure that you have some sharp tweezers, because if you don't, you will more than likely pluck a hole and barely get any hair out when you are plucking. So yeah.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else, true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else.
Okay, you guys, so this is how it looks once I'm done plucking. I'm just gonna put the wig on my head so that you guys can see. Look at that, you guys. That is plucked to perfection. It looks really nice and it looks really neat, and this is what you will get if you do the method that I did. Let me know if you guys would like a video on that. But right here, I'm just about to do or attempt to do a bald cap, y'all. I was rushing and I really did not care how my bald cap looked, so I would not follow this. I'm gonna just stop talking, but yeah.
So, feeling my body feels that I you do know. Will never fall out of love. Choo. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. I'm trusting.
So after I'm done with the bald cap, I just put the wig on my head so that I could go ahead and measure out my ear tabs, because all that extra lace in the hair right there you will not need, because you do not need to glue that down. That's just extra lace. I'm not sure why they do that, probably for different head sizes, but just go ahead and part that out with a comb. Make sure the laces in the cap is measured up to your ear size, and go ahead and cut that lace off.
Choo.
So now that I'm done cutting off the ear tabs, it's time for me to go ahead and apply the glue. I'm using the Erica J Bold. Wait, no, it's not called Bold Hole, y'all. I'm sorry. It's called something, but it's Erica J's Bold. Why I keep saying Bold Hole? But it's lace glue. But anyway, so I took a spoon because I didn't really have a popsicle stick, and I'm just, distributing all that glue that I just dotted on my head and putting it down, because that's what you're supposed to do. When you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're like spreading it across until it gets clear. And yeah, I do one side at a time, because it's just easier that way for me, so that it doesn't dry fast, because the glue does dry fast. But it's some good glue, you guys. It does hold for a long time, especially if you do at least maybe 3 to 4 different types of what is it called, glue runs. I don't know, four different yeah, I don't know. Yeah, y'all get what I'm trying to say. So what I was trying to say was 4 different layers of glue. But yeah, y'all know what I was trying to say. But so here's the other side of me, just distributing all that glue across my forehead. And yeah, you're gonna do that till you get the glue to be a little clear, and then you're gonna take the blow dryer and go ahead and do it on cool so that it can help the dry process faster. And then once I'm done with that, I just go ahead and put the lace where I want the glue to sit at, or yeah, where I want the hairline to sit on the glue. And then I go in and I take a comb, and I like to really run that through, make sure that the lace and the hair is intertwining, mixing in with the lace, because if it doesn't, it is going to pop off my head. So make sure you go in with a comb and really get that lace, get that comb sitting through.
this, baby. Nobody else, true.
And then just for extra security, just to give it a better melt, go in with a hot comb and really melt that, give it heat to glue action. I don't know. I got this idea from Erica J herself, and I've noticed that it does help melt the lace with the glue. And then I take my elastic band and I just go ahead and tie it in the back because we want that to go ahead and sit. And then you're just gonna go in with the blow dryer on cool just to help melt it and dry a little bit faster.
Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels like I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love.
So this is just me cutting the lace. What you want to do is grab some scissors or a razor and make sure you go in a zigzag motion. If you do not go in a zigzag motion, it's going to look like laces on your head. So please go in a zigzag motion. Thank y'all. Ooh, look at that white stuff. Y'all don't mind that. That was just the glue. It'll go away.
I want it to work out so bad, but I feel it in my chest tonight. I want it.
So this is just me parting out the baby hairs and stuff like that. I don't really do nothing special. I'm still kind of practicing, learning how to do my baby hair, so I'm not going to explain what I'm doing. But if you guys want a baby hair tutorial, I know there are plenty of baby hair tutorials on YouTube, so I would recommend you going and looking up one on there. But until I perfect it, I feel like I shouldn't teach it, But I'm going to stop talking now because for the rest of the video, I'm just experimenting with this hair and giving a feel for it and seeing how it acts with certain products. So enjoy the rest of the video, y'all. I'm going to stop talking. Bye.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. Oh, I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else, true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels like I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. trust in you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this, I want this to work out so bad, but I feel it in my chest tonight. I want it, I want it, yeah. We'll never fall out of love with you. Choo. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final product. Look how good these curls are. This is 100% dry. I do love the hair. I've actually worn it for a little bit. My camera did die, that's why you guys weren't able to see the full process of me like installing it and stuff. I love the hair. It's super flowy. It doesn't really tangle. The hair is super nice. The only thing is that the knots, they are kind of hard to bleach in the back, which I do not like. I probably should have let it bleach for a little bit longer. I give this so far a 9 out of 10. Super cute, super flowy, and I think it fits my face. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next in my next video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.